What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about moderation tools. I've been seeing a lot of videos out there about moderators and updates and changes, and I thought I'd dig a little bit into that. For those of you who are joining me again, welcome back. My name is Carla here at Teaching Trends, teaching you all about those trends in YouTube updates, in YouTube communities, as well as those updates with remote work from home jobs and healthcare. So, I've seen a lot of people talk about the different types of moderators. I'm going to talk about the tools, the why, the how, and how this can help you become either a better moderator or help to better moderate your channel. So let's get into these moderator tools. We know that moderators can participate with live chat. Moderators are someone who can participate, report, and block someone in a chat. You can also put participants on timeout, give them some time up to a certain point where up to 5 minutes they can't comment. You can also hide people from the channel. Hiding is often reserved for participants who ignore guidelines and warnings. So if you've warned someone or told them there was like inappropriate action, you can go in there and hide that person from the channel. You can also review potentially inappropriate messages. This is something that you can also do with your comments. And if you hang in there, you'll find out that you can also use a moderator for your comments, not just your comments in your live, but for your comments in your videos and for your content on your channel. So I'll be getting to that if you're interested in how to use a moderator for your channel other than a live. Here, generally anyone can leave a comment on a video, but what a moderator can do is remove comments. This allows you to remove inappropriate and potentially abusive comments. We've all talked about some of those comments that are held for review. However, a moderator can actually do that as well. So before we get to that, we're going to talk about who can be a moderator. So clearly anybody who owns the channel can be a moderator. Anyone who's a moderator is going to have that until you remove them from being a moderator. You can moderate live streams, and you can also moderate certain videos, past and future live information. So there are different icons you may see. There's the user icon, clearly, where you're the creator and the channel owner. There's the username icon, where it's a creator that has a verified account. There's a user who's a participant with a verified account. There's also a channel member if you have membership, and channel moderator. So we're going to go into these settings and learn more about these moderation tools. I'm going to make sure I put this link in the chat because this is a really useful video here in YouTube support. I think many of you will find it really valuable. So this is something you can look at before you go to your live chat. And with all of these new updates, there's a lot of things in here you want to look at. So for your live chat, there's a subscribers only live chat. So you can actually turn that on where you only want certain people or your subscribers to participate in a certain event. Maybe it's something you don't want anybody spamming in there, making a bunch of comments. You really want your subscribers to enjoy. Then you have the live members only chat. So, you know here that you can have a members group where you can have people join and make that particular live for members only. Live commentary mode. So you can set up your live chat to only allow approved users as live chat participants on a live stream. That's correct. So you can set it up so you can select who can comment during a live. Only users that you select will be able to chat and send messages and view messages. You can go right into your YouTube studio, go to create, go live, and under the customization tab, there is something called live commentary. You can go in there and approve certain users for your lives. So not just anyone will be able to come in if you use the live commentary mode. Then we have the assign moderators. There's positive people that you want to assign as a moderator. Person will stay a moderator until you remove them as being a moderator. The moderator can delete messages. They can put participants on timeout. You can actually hide people from your channel and review any potentially inappropriate messages. For those of you who have a large community and you really want to get to a lot of your subscribers and your chatters and your live, you can select slow mode. You can kind of slow down the comments so it gives you time to look and read. Maybe you want to do that in combination with having subscribers only and slow mode or something like that. If you have an event, you can go right to the edit in the live control room and go to customization again. Under message delay, check slow mode. And in this slow mode, it will allow messages to move slower so that you can read them and they're not flying along in your live stream. Now, if you're in a live stream, you can actually turn off your live stream. Now, if it's a premiere, that's something that you can't do. You can't turn it off during a premiere. But let's just say you've got a lot going on and you're done with comments. You can actually go in and turn off your live stream during a actual live. Last but not least, we're going to talk about the comments that moderators and what they can do with them. So, moderators can remove comments. This will allow the inappropriate comments to be moved to that held for review section that content creators have. In this tab, they will then be able to, or the creator, once it's reported, will be able to look at this comment, report it, and or permanently delete it. So that's right. Your moderator can actually remove those comments for you and allow potentially abusive or bad comments that come across your videos to be removed. So, as from my last video, I talked about how you can use these tools and kind of hide certain information. Well, you can also hide users and certain information from your live stream. So, if you decide to block someone, they cannot create clips of your videos and anything from your live stream. So, that's a good thing. Also, you have the blocked words that I mentioned from my last video. You have block comments with links here. Again, you can also block certain words, so make sure you know that. As I mentioned about hiding the user from your channel, you can hide them from your audience. Again, they cannot create clips or anything like that from your information. And this is a great tool for you to use. So definitely make sure you check these things out in YouTube moderation, what the moderators could do, so many tips and tools. I've just recently made a couple of videos about some moderator jobs. So if you're interested in those moderator jobs, check these thumbnails right here.